So we're back down here in the great state of Delaware. Right now we're just touching up the site with the T190. We got one load of modified, just to dress everything up and make it crisp. We got our seed and our straw blown in. Some of the straw got a little spotty just because of the wind. It's been killing us this week. So all in all, we got about 23 days into this job. Just me and Ed. Hank helped a couple days. So we got swales cut in, going to the tack stitch. Basically, that's used to hold the water because we're so close to sea level. So it holds the water, and then once the water table goes down, the water can be relieved and it'll dry it up. We learned that on this job from the landowner. We never heard of it before. So on my right here, we have a little swale cut in that goes into the other swale we put in before, back in the summertime. That goes to that tack stitch again. All the swales we used straw matting to help hold all the straw in place so the grass grows up. The site looks totally different. The last time we were here, all the corn's been harvested about a week ago. Again, there's another swale there to my right, which goes down into that tack stitch again. All the stakes you see are pool boxes so people can find them, don't get ran over. And there's a tower, you can see that in the distance. The landowner's gonna get rid of all these piles of dirt. He wanted to save them. He's a farmer, so he'll use them up. There's an old T190, killing it as always. It's a great little machine, highly recommend them. So we used a little Yamaha 80 four-wheeler and some chain link fence to drag everything off rather than raking it all. Production's everything in dirt work. And again, to my right and to my left here, you have swales cut in that lead into that tack stitch. It's a hard word to say. Again, straw matting on all the swales. The inertia of the water just balls all the straw up and ruins it. There's that tower. Right now, At&t is the only provider on it. Soon enough, there'll be more. Heck, we might even be putting them in. We didn't do any of the landscaping. That was all subbed out to another contractor. The only thing left to do here is put those ballards in. There's gonna be 3 of them in front of that transformer, so no one runs into it. Chain link fence worked out perfect. Our grade made it easy for these guys. It's consistent on the top and the bottom. No gaps underneath. Looks crisp. There's a close-up of that tower. It's a long way up. Also, the propane tank isn't in yet. So I'll have to put that in at another time. But the generator's all piped in, wired up, ready to go. As well as a shelter. This is what they look like in case anyone was wondering. Worked out perfect for these guys. Ice bridge is in. That just helps with snow and ice, so it doesn't put load on the fiber and cables that go up the tower. It's holding up pretty good. Satisfied with the site. This was a great job. Have no really complaints. In the summer it was hot, but we got her done. So yeah, check you guys out on the next one. Have a good day, everyone. Later.